We've been talking about it since last weekend, and today is a first alert weather day with the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon and into the evening hours. Now, this activity is going to be kind of hit or miss across the area, developing out ahead of a cold front. Our main threat would be damaging winds from any of those thunderstorms. So we will have a warm, humid air mass overhead. It's going to be windy today, even outside of the thunderstorms. Now, notice by our computer model, the best chance of severe weather is actually up to our north, but we will have a cold front pressing in here sometime late afternoon or early evening, and it really isn't going to take much for that cold front to possibly pop up some thunderstorms later in the afternoon or during the evening hours. Now, once we get to 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, the threat of severe weather is not zero, but it will start to diminish at that time. Storm Prediction Center has most of us, including Lansing and Jackson, in the severe weather outlook as a slight risk for this afternoon and into tonight. High winds are biggest threat, but there could be large hail, and if we do indeed get these thunderstorms going, can't rule out a weak little tornado spinning up. Now, it's not a big threat, but there is at least some threat that's there. Again, though, the better chance of severe weather is actually up to our north today. Now, you will notice today, even outside of these pop-up thunderstorms, it is going to be a warmer day, and the humidity levels are definitely up for us today. Look at our hour-by-hour forecast showing a mix of clouds and sun throughout the morning hours. Any showers in the morning will be on an isolated basis. Now, it is during the afternoon that cold front gets a little bit closer to us. This particular computer model not showing a lot in the way of precipitation, but there could be a little bit of activity popping up around 4. We go throughout the evening hours. Again, the computer model's not doing a good job with this, but we can't rule out an isolated gusty thunderstorm popping up as we progress throughout the evening and the overnight hours. Outside of the risk of severe weather, we will have gusty winds today at noon. Those wind gusts up around 20, 25 miles per hour. We could have some wind gusts up near 40 miles per hour by the time we hit 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That is outside of any gusty winds we would have with thunderstorms, and these gusty winds do continue at least into the evening hours before they do start to settle down a little bit. So for today, we have a mix of clouds and sun. It is going to be a windy day. We're on the lookout this afternoon for thunderstorms. We're calling for a high of 86, although it could even be a little bit warmer than that, which is not welcome news. That warmer air is even more unstable and would actually increase our chance of seeing some gusty thunderstorms. For tonight, we will have some showers around on a scattered basis, some thunderstorms too. Our low tonight, 62 degrees. Now, Saturday, we deal with some more rain. Could be a thunderstorm in the mix. It's not an all-day rain, though. Saturday's high near 70 degrees. Now, I think we get the rain out of here early on Sunday, and then turning partly cloudy. Definitely cooler Sunday, a high of 63. We have some sunshine on Monday, a high of 64, and some on and off showers for the middle of next week.